Welcome back, guys, to my channel, Mathematics and Simplex. My name is Trisha Morris, and today I'll be giving you tips on how to stay focused with the subject mathematics. Now, mathematics is a feared subject, and I've experienced it time and time again within my own personal classroom. Now, how do I create an atmosphere where students no longer fear this subject? Now, what do I do is the first thing is to keep positive. I like to ask the number one question to students: how many persons fear mathematics? And most times, three-quarters of the class hand is up. And whenever I identify those students, it's only because I need to ensure I'm focused on not only the ones who are good, but also the ones who fear. Because I like to say, it's not a case where you cannot do math, but it's a case where you have a mental block. So I like to say to students, avoid thinking negatively. Always think positive. Block out all negativity. Don't say it's too hard, it's too difficult. And the number one thing I like to hear students say is, oh, is that easy, miss? Then, okay, the hard part is near. Block out that negativity. Talk about math. Let it be your own language. So rather than always saying, oh, I like this other subject, but I hate math, let's talk math. So that means gravitate towards students who are in that module course, or if you're doing CSEC or CAPE, you have your own little group so that you practice math. You have to practice. And this is a way that you can do is talk about math more. I also like to have students being involved. And before COVID, I would have them go on the board at times, and some of them enjoy teaching their peers, letting them know what they have learned, because we do have tutorial classes. And in the tutorial class, this is where you express how much you know, and you also work with each other. Now, even in COVID, I'm able to do such, but in a virtual world. So it is time for you to be involved in class. It helps. And being involved assists you to see how much do you really understand. If you really have a block, don't worry, take it slow. Sometimes you have to let your tutor, lecturer, or teacher be aware of the pace that you like to go. So it means maybe in the lecture you have to say, hey, miss, I don't understand. Can you go over, but at a slower pace? At the end of the day, we are here for you. So you have to speak to whomever is teaching to let them know that, hey, go at my pace a little sometimes so that I can understand what's happening. Don't ever fear to speak about what you would like to happen in the classroom. Be in control. Don't just sit there not letting us know what is happening. At the end of the day, we are here for you. Tip 101 for you and for everyone.